This is our new product, a hand-free headlamp, which is designed by my friend. And here is the box. Open it, and we got a headlamp here. Here is the lamp, and we got 6 light mode: high light, medium light, low light, orange light, blue and red light, and SOS mode, which is Morse code, international Morse code. And you press the button for 2 seconds and you got this SOS mode. And this is a quite different headlamp because we use magnet solution. Here's what we got. We got 2 head band. One is with anti-skid design headband, and another is adjustable headband. And we got a USB Type-C cable. Here we got 3 base. One is a magnet base, which can get together with this, and we put this on this headband. And we got a headlamp like this. You can also make it this way. Here. And press buttons. High light, medium light, low light, orange light, red and blue light, and SOS Morse code. And we also have this clip base. With this clip base, you can also get this lamp on the base, and this is a clip. You can make it in the color or anywhere you want to put it. It's very easy to put the clip on your clothes. Here also have this, and this one is a slice base, also magnet. For this, we can put this one inside your t-shirt, and we can put this magnet, so it will be on your t-shirt. You can put it anywhere within your t-shirt, so you can got maybe we call it chest lamp. It's very stable. And you can also put this magnet on any line metal, like a car or something like tent, or even you're camping, or your back, even your back. It's very good. So that's it.